Hi everybody, today we're doing our PS5 unboxing. It arrived a little bit late, but better late than never. So, as you can see, this one is the disc edition and it's big. It's quite large and quite heavy. So, on the back it says lightning speed, breathtaking immersion and stunning games. Let's get into it. So, it's a nice little slot here. So, the first thing is you have power cord, and you'll notice that this is the Australian power cord as required. And we have here our PS5 booklet, which tells you how to connect it all up. And of course, the most relevant thing there is that there's a base that we're going to have to connect to the bottom. So that sounds good. And we have our safety guide. And here, wrapped up here, is we have our nice, exciting, brand new PS5 controller. And it looks very nice. So the first thing you notice is the texture underneath. And yeah, feels quite nice and big. You've got a USB connector port at the front, the new share buttons, and everything has a kind of a glass touch for the buttons. So, and the new PlayStation button and the microphone there and the mute button. So very interesting. Buttons feel good, feels nice in the hands, so that's great. And then the next thing, as I said, is going to be interesting, is our PS5 base, which I know you can twist and turn and do all sorts of things. So with that, we have our HDMI cable. So this is what is connected to the back of the PlayStation. And we hook that up. So we'll take out this first box, which has all the accessories, and just hidden under there you also have a USB-C charger. So that goes from PlayStation into the new Dualsense controller. So not DualShock, but Dualsense, and that's used to charge. At the back, you also have a input that you can put your headphones in for the new 3D audio that's part of the PlayStation 5 launch. And now, pièce de résistance. And it's big and it's quite heavy. So, once again, we will take some of these things off. Remove the box. We'll unwrap. And here we have a new PlayStation 5. Now I'm going to mount mine horizontally, but first I'll just look at the front. So you've got the big white curve, and I can see the PlayStation texture on the inside there. On the back you can see that there are a number of ports. So the power, HDMI, network, two USB 3s, so you can see that they're blue there. And if I spin it around to the front, you can see that you got USB-C, USB 2, and you have two buttons, one's for eject and one's for power. So that is very exciting. The next thing now, I believe that the console is put down like so, but we need to put this and attach it. Now apparently there are some letters here which show you where they go. So you can see the letters there. So you can line that up, and then hey presto, we have our horizontally mounted PlayStation 5. So we'll do another video later, but this was the unboxing. So you have the new Dualsense controller, your PlayStation 5, you have the brand new stand for it to sit on, and we'll mount it to the TV. So catch you on the next one.